Hey guys, so you recently got your new Fitbit Air and you must be wondering, how do you reset this device or restart this device in case it stops working? So in this video we will be talking about how to reset the device and how to restart the device. So we'll begin with the restart. So in order to restart the Fitbit Air, all you have to do is go into your app, and here you have to go, and in order to restart your Fitbit device, all you have to do is you have to connect it to the charger, and you see there is a button just behind the charger. All you have to do is press and hold it until you hear 2 vibrations. 1, 2. So the moment you hear the second vibration, there will be a loading screen here and it's basically restarting itself. So we'll do it again. First vibration. Second vibration. It's looking. So it restarts itself on the second vibration. That's how you restart the Fitbit Air. So now we'll talk about how to reset the Fitbit Air. So maybe you connected the Fitbit Air to your phone, to your app, and for some reason you want to reset the Fitbit Air. All you have to do is go to the app. Once you're on the home screen, you have to press here, select the Fitbit. It says connected. You go systems, and here you have, all you have to do is disconnect this one. It will give you the message, disconnect Fitbit Air from the Google Health app. When you disconnect, it automatically resets itself and disconnects from the app. Now if you want to add it again, if you want to sell it or add it to a different phone or a different account, once you reset, you can do that. There you go guys, this is how you restart and reset your Fitbit Air. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.